So here we are in the veggie patch again today. It's pumpkin harvest day. Decided to plant up 4 butternut pumpkins or squash a few months ago, and they've done pretty well. Here's what they look like. Not a bad little vine. There's only 4 of them in there. Planted them in that tiny little strip next to the garden edge there. Didn't know what to put in there, so I thought, oh, I'll let something that can run around. And here we are. You can see I've put some insect bags over some of these. I'll protect them from the really hot weather that we've had. Unfortunately, not all of them pollinate properly. So you get all kinds of funny looking misshapen. They start to rot while they're on the vine. That one's good for the compost. But this is my first attempt at growing butternuts. Interesting to watch it go. We've managed to grow about half a dozen initially, so they've been on here for quite some time. Going to take 2 of those off today. So here's one of them. So what we look for is this browning of the stem if you want to eat it right away. You'll also see ones that are not quite ready will have these green lines through there. Now I've just realised we've got another little baby that's popped up here, but it's not going to work out. It's gotten too yellow, so we'll just pull that one off. Another bit good for the compost. So here's a young one that's not yet covered up. This one seemed to pop out about 2-3 weeks ago unexpectedly with about half a dozen others around the back there. Another couple down the side here. I did need to cover those ones up. But yeah, the older section of the vine, there's a couple more that I've covered up over here. So you can see it's got quite a nice colour on it. You can see that stem is quite brown. It does dry all the way back, and these vines will eventually all die, and the ones you want to hold on to for the winter, they're the ones you leave on the vine until it's all completely died back. So here's another one. Again, there's a little bit of browning off, not quite all the way there yet. Yes. So here we go. Which one are we going to pick first? Let me just see, what's this one here? I think that's a baby one, it's still quite green. Yeah. You can see I do have some mould on this. Not unusual, it's just a fungus. You can spray it, milk and water, or a proper fungicide from your local nursery. Whatever suits you. Whatever suits you. So, Mr. Pumpkin, since I'm going to eat you tomorrow night, we salute you. Yes, that's just beautiful. Look at that. Just beautiful. Still looks quite green in there. But since this is tomorrow night's pumpkin soup for dinner, it won't matter. Oh, there's another ladybug. Hello. Come on, there you go. These guys look after our garden, so we should look after them. Thanks for watching. Happy gardening.